Welcome back to the ultimate guide on how to buy one item on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's read. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So in this video you will learn how to buy just single one item from a store. So this particular store right here, I'm going to buy just one item. So I need color pink. So first thing I'm going to do is that I will make sure I screenshot this particular color right here. Then having screenshot the color, then I will now chat the supplier with the screenshot. So for me to chat the supplier first, I have to click on here. Alright, so having opened up the chat box, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I head over to my Google Translate. So if you don't have Google Translate installed on your phone, make sure you get it from Google Play Store. It is a free app that allows you to type in whatever language and translate to whatever language of your choice. So I'm going to open up the Translate. So I will just type hello. Do you have these items in store? Color pink. Color pink. Okay, I will copy the text, then I'll head over back to my 1688. Then I'll make sure I click and hold down, paste and send. So having sent the message, I will now click on here to attach the picture that I just screenshot. Then I'll have to click on here to select the picture from my phone album. Then here is the picture. Then I will click on here and send. Right, so you can see the response from this supplier, and this is not what I asked for. So I will have to go back to my chat box right here, and I'll make another type. The question is, do you have color pink in store? Yes or no? That's just a question. So I need to be sure before we can place order. Then I have to go back to my chat box. I will click and hold down. I'll paste and send to the supplier, because some of the supplier like this, they do not have the color you choose. And by the time you place the order, they will just send you any color they have available in store. So it is very much important you communicate with them and be sure they have what you want to buy before you go ahead and make a purchase. Okay. All right, so the seller have the color in store. So next thing we want to do is to make sure we add the item to cart and make a purchase return. So for me to do that, we just have to go back to the sales page like this right here. So for us to add the item to cart, we need to click on here. Then we have to select the color, which is this one right here. Then having selected the color, we have to select the size, which is size 40 right here. So just one pieces. Then I'll click on here to add the item to cart. Having added the item to cart, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to fill my cart. So we have the items right here. So for me to make a purchase, I have to make sure I click on here to select the item. And I click on here to proceed to checkout. Then I click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to continue. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Right now, so the payment has been done successful. We have successfully purchased the item. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the pump up. Then have to head over to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So you can see the items right here. So this is how to buy just a single item from supplier store on 1688 step-by-step tutorial without using agent. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.